Mihira, glad I caught you. I'm preparing for Mrs. Davison's session. She's making good progress after her ankle repair, and I want to start gentle, partial weight-bearing exercises today. Her surgeon mentioned specific parameters, so I need to ensure we have the right support.
Mr. Clark, yes, Mrs. Davison. She's keen to get moving. We've got the standard walking frames and crutches ready, of course. But for someone at her stage, perhaps a bit more stability than crutches, but less restrictive than a full frame, would be beneficial. We recently received a new batch of those forearm support walkers. They're much better for maintaining posture while still allowing some controlled load.
Ah, the new forearm walkers. Excellent, I was hoping they'd arrived. That would be perfect for Mrs. Davison's graded progression. She really needs something that allows her to feel secure without relying entirely on upper body strength, which is where some of the standard frames fall short for her. It's a fine balance, giving enough support but still encouraging the leg to do its work. We also have Mr. Jenkins, who's struggling with balance after his inner ear infection. He needs something that won't trip him up. And young Lily, with her developing gait, requires a very lightweight, agile frame.
Yes, exactly. The forearm walkers are also quite useful for patients with some wrist or hand weakness, unlike the traditional crutches that put a lot of pressure there. They distribute the support more evenly. I'll make sure one is set up for Mrs. Davison immediately.
Perfect, Mihira. That should really help her build confidence today. Mihira, it is completely normal to feel a little nervous before having your blood drawn, but knowing exactly what will happen can make the whole process feel much smoother and easier. Before we begin, the healthcare provider will take a moment to gently clean a small area on your arm with a cool, refreshing wipe to keep everything clean. Next, they will wrap a soft, snug band called a tourniquet around your upper arm, which briefly holds a bit of gentle pressure to help locate a suitable vein. When everything is set, you will feel just a quick, minor scratch or pinch as the needle goes in. That initial second is usually the main hurdle, and it passes very fast while a small sample is collected. As soon as that is done, the needle is gently pulled out. The provider will apply light pressure with a clean cotton pad for a short moment to stop any bleeding, finishing up by placing a neat little plaster over the spot. You can take a deep breath and relax. How are you feeling about all this, Mihira? Is there anything specific on your mind or any questions you would like to ask before we start?